Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Janie. Today's just going to be a quick little tip on how to make your body butter less greasy, whether it's whipped body butter and or just body butter. Okay, so sometimes body butters are, the softer the body butter, the more oil it has. Okay, so that being said, you don't want it to be too greasy. So what is actually the key to making your body butter less greasy is arrowroot. You can use arrowroot, you can use rice powder too, you can use cornstarch, but this is the main one that will actually work the best for your body butters to get that greasy feel out. Now, if you're doing, let's say 2 pounds, you're gonna wanna put at least 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now, it sounds kind of like a lot. It is gonna be a little bit to get that mixed in, but you just need to just keep mixing. It's gonna look, because it's kind of gonna clump up a little bit, but as it's clumping up, it doesn't matter. Don't worry about it. You can get those clumps out very easily. So you just keep mixing until you stop seeing those clumps. Okay, hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you later.